Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and let it all go. Now, bring to mind one thing you truly desire, something your heart has been quietly asking for. It could be a place you want to live, a job, a moment with someone you love, or the way you want to feel every morning when you wake up. Now, start to build the scene in your mind. Where are you? What's around you? Colors, textures, light. What are you wearing? What do you hear? What do you smell? Let it come alive like a movie in your mind. Only you're the main character. Now take it a step further. What are you doing in this scene? How does it feel in your body to have this? Are you smiling, laughing, breathing deeper? Let the feeling of it wash over you. Let it become real inside of you right now. This is visualization. This is how you teach your body what's coming and show the universe what you're ready for. Hold this image for just a moment longer. Soak it in. Feel it as already done. Now take one more deep breath. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You just gave your future a place to land. Come back to this anytime.